Let's try a hands-on activity using PowerPoint. Say you open up your slide presentation. You'll notice here that you have a button toolbar. The right arrow is forward, the left arrow is back. The center one is your menu. So you can choose different things, which I'm going to show you in a second. So you get into your presentation and you talk the talk. As tend to go, you tend to talk about more things than you really want to. So you get off track. You want to keep track of your path. So yes, we did talk about computers. Yes, we have talked about network connections. Yes, we have talked about software. And with these tools, people stay productive. Yay. Now, you want to move on. You don't want to save this information into your PowerPoint because you're going to do this at another presentation. So, you press the button once and the information goes away. Now you move on to your presentation and you get into discussing things that interest your colleagues and they want a copy of that information. So you say, no problem. I want to make a note to myself to send this info. Okay, I'm going to put my pen tray down, and in that menu middle button that I talked about, you're going to see Capture to Notebook. Press Capture to Notebook. What it's going to do is it's going to allow you, if I close this show, it's going to allow you to put it in your presentation for further reference, or just put it in your notes in the captured notebook. We don't want to save this for our presentation. If you look at the bottom, there's my information that I could send out my colleagues later on. But let's continue. Back into the slideshow. We go again. Now we discuss the feedback. The audience and your colleagues give their information. And you write things down as appropriate. Let's see, what's the cost? Another note comes out. What's the change? And how do we close it? Now you're good. As you put your pen tray down, oops, I've accidentally hit my whiteboard. How do I get the information back? This button right here will bring that information back. But as you notice, it disappears very quickly. The second way to bring that back is to go back to your menu button, click here, and press Restore Drawing. Now at this point, you can either save the work in your presentation, save it onto your notebook, or just delete it and continue with your presentation.